click the bell, then stick around. It's time for Traveling Dainty Dabs.
Hello there, all you dreadful dolls. Welcome back to Dreadfully Dainty Dips. If you're new here, hi, welcome to the Dreadful family. I am Lindsay. Okay, guys, today I have an unboxing of Dipomania's Mania, Mayhem, and Mystery July 2022 box. I am so dang excited. This theme is Summer Music Fest. So what does that mean? Well, I went straight to the source, the Queen Bee herself, and asked, what was your inspiration behind this box? Because it is a very, very special box for her. I mean, not speaking for her, but if it could be one of her favorites, I bet this would be the one, in my opinion. So she had to say, well, pretty much music is the core of so many of her creations. So, not from only like this box, but if you hop on her website, you'll even see more of, like a kind of like a music theme going on there. So she said pretty much this box is a mesh of all of her favorite aspects from music, concerts, to music fests, and everything in general. So this is a fun box, you guys. Sit back and enjoy the show because it's guaranteed to bring out your inner kid. All right, let's dip into it. All right, so first up we have the Dipomania nail file. Love these files, you guys. You can find those on dipomania.com. And oh, what is this? Oh, Backstage Pass presents. Who is that at the bottom? Ah, Dreadfully Dainty Dips. Yes, these are some Dreadfully Dainty decals that the Queen Bee asked me to make, so I was super honored to be a part of this box. So here we have some Music Fest inspired water slide nail decals. So that's awesome. I hope you guys enjoy those. And of course, no Summer Music Fest is fun without the light up things. Yeah, so here we have some little finger lights. These are so fun, and I'm probably going to get robbed of these because, yes, I have two little ones who are like bugs to a flame when it comes to anything that lights up. But for now, I'm going to have all the fun. All right, so next up we have a bag of some nail goodies. Let's take a look and see what's in here. All right, we have some flame transfer foils. Those are super cute. We have some music note glitter add-ons. We have some neon dots. Some nail stencils. Ooh, some cool like iridescent flame stickers. And some like snake skin decals. That's cool. So you can probably cut those up and, add it to a full nail or a half a nail or whatever your little heart desires. That's really neat. I can't wait to use those. All right, next up we have, oh, this super cute flower headband. And it lights up. That is too dang cute. All right, let's turn the lights off, y'all. Don't get scared on me. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let's turn the finger lights back on. We gotta get this party started. All right, I'm having too much fun. All right, Lindsay, get back to the show. Get back to the show. Ah, okay. We have another glow thing that's distracting me. No, but for real, how cute are these? It's like little bitty, like light up glasses. Have y'all ever seen these? Oh, I'm definitely getting robbed of these after the video. Y'all wait, this is gonna be the first thing they snag. Oh my gosh, those are too cool. Okay, let's throw the lights back on. Let's get back into the box. All right, so next up we have some fun pop rocks because those are just fun. Who doesn't love some pop rocks? Oh, and I found another distraction. No, I'm just kidding. But this is really neat. It's like a squishy jelly ring that lights up. So that's cool. I'm definitely keeping this one. Yes. This is so fun, you guys. All right, next up we have a guitar-shaped metal spoon. Yes, this is like, it feels nice in the hand. This is for like your pour-overs. You need to scoop something out of your dip powder. You need to, transfer some dip powder. That's awesome. I love that. That is really neat. All right, next up we have some more music note decals. Really cool. Just cut these up to size, whatever you'd like. And stop it. We have some cute little fishnet Nelfie sleeves. Okay. I had to speed this part up because I was on the struggle bus. I'm not gonna lie. Trying to get these things on. I've never had any like little fishnet ones. But how cute are these? I can't wait to take a picture with these. So cute. And I believe all the colors are random in the boxes. So you might not get pink. You might get another fun color. You'll have to let me know down below. Ooh, and look at this little hidden gem down here. Okay, we're going to set that to the side because I don't want to open it just yet. We're going to save the main part of the show for the last. Alright, so next up we have another prop this box by the awesome Resonate Artiste. That is so neat. You can find her on Instagram and Etsy. She does the most amazing resin props. And look, you guys. Okay, so this says Summer Music Fest, Dipomania 2022. And it's like the rock horns. And guess what? It glows. Yes, that is so awesome. It has like a cool little black like guitar silhouette in the background. And every prop is different. So y'all take a close look at your props because they might not be the same as mine. How cool is that? Y'all, just the light up, the glow stuff. I mean, does that not remind you of like, oh yeah, like summer concert? Just so much fun. All the light up things going on. Okay, so let's get into these dips. First up we have Hidden Track, which is this gorgeous purple. And it's got like little, kind of like silver foils or flakies in there. And that was actually an extra because we usually only have 4 dips in boxes. So you get 5 this box. Next up we have Crescendo. This is your magnetic dip sample. Yes, and I'm going to show you here in a second how we use the magnetic dips. Next up we have Lighters in the Air. This is a white, kind of like very fine iridescent glitter with glow stars. And the whole thing glows. Yes, so let me pop it in the lamp for you. I was actually amazed by the glow stars. I know, like, I don't have a lot of, like, glow things. So to see the little stars actually glow, I was like, that's too cute. So I had to put them back in there so we could see. But yeah, so, okay, Lighters in the Air. Too cool. If I can get my camera to focus. There we go. How fun is that? All right, let's flip the lights back on. Let's get back into the rest. All right, next we have Main Stage. Ooh, this is a fun one. It's got like all the shifty colors in there. Oh, and it's got the texture glitter in there. I'm like loving the texture glitters right now. It's so fun and different. Really cool. And I'll show you guys some swatches at the very end. This is Headliner. Okay, does this not give you like 90s, 80s vibes? Okay, and last before I show you all of the swatches, let's have a quick little magnetic tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to take some of Dipomania's Blossom Gel. You can also do this with a base gel. Okay, you're going to pour a little bit out onto a palette, and then you're going to take some of your magnetic dip powder, and you're going to sprinkle a little bit in your gel. Let's start with a little first because, right, a little goes a long way. You can always add to, but you cannot take away. Okay, our little rule of thumb. You're going to give that a mix around in your Blossom Gel, and you're going to make like your own gel polish pretty much. Okay, so you're going to want to get it all nice and mixed up. You want it more on the loose side, okay, more fluid. If it's too thick, those magnetic particles aren't going to flow. Okay, we're going to brush it onto our nail. This is over black gel polish, Dipomania's black gel polish that's been fully cured. And okay, so I do my magnetics and my, like, just what I prefer over black. So you can do it over a black dip powder, over a black gel polish, because I feel like it really shows up a lot better over a darker color than a light color. But that's just my personal preference. Okay, so once you have it brushed on the nail, now it's just time to play. Okay, so I'm taking my cat's eye magnet and I'm just playing with it. I just wanted to show y'all how you can manipulate those particles throughout that Blossom Gel It is so much fun. So you can like, don't be afraid if you hit the magnetic on that nail and all of your magnetics disappear. Do not worry because you can bring them right back. It's just how, like, you just got to find your groove with your magnet. So see, I just kind of made them all disappear. Don't stress, bring them all back. And then you can like push them to the side. You can do any kind of fun design. You can throw it all in the middle. You can do a little S. You can do the cat's eye, like the stripe across the nail. You can move it down and do a French tip. I mean, just have fun. Like, these are so much fun. All right, once you're happy, you're going to give that a full cook in the nail lamp for 60 seconds and top it with a gel top coat. All right, my dolls, so what did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite thing about this box? I'm just super excited. Personally, I love the whole thing, the whole theme. The dips, you got 5 dips in this box. She added in so many goodies this box. It's just so cool because every box is different. So y'all, if you didn't grab one this time, you're gonna want to grab the next one. These are only quarterly and the dips do not go on the website. These are just exclusive to these boxes. All right, so here are our swatches. We have Crescendo from left to right. So Crescendo magnetized over black and dipped over itself. Then we have Main Stage, Headliner, Hidden Track, and Lighters in the Air. This is dipped over itself, the first one, and then dipped over black. All right, let's see that glow action one more time. I'm going to turn these lights out. Y'all don't get scared. All right, one last time. Here is the glow shot of Lighters in the Air. So neat. That's the last 2 on the very end there. All right, my friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, bye.